Solid Edge 2023 supports a brand new and modern interface. Our menus, though the icons have changed, they are far more consistent with the industry standards of the Siemens portfolio. Though the tools look different, they are still the same. We've even introduced things like transparency to give us a more fluid workspace. Our Smart Step ribbon bar is now vertical. And our context toolbar now works across all the Solid Edge environments, part, sheet metal, as well as assembly. We just use it to open up our top cover. Our context toolbar provides high-frequency, object-specific commands at the tip of the engineer's cursor. Our vertical toolbar expands and contracts with options just like the industry standard. Our competitors that come over will be far more familiar with our interface. Besides our ribbon bars and our context bars and our vertical ribbon bars, other things are also improving. As you can see in our edge bar, we've changed out some of the icon schema to look more in line with the Siemens interface. Our hides and shows are far more evident, and our expansion tools, the triangles, are more in line with the Siemens standard. Hiding and showing is simple. By clicking on the eyeball, we can hide it, and clicking on it again, we can also show it again. The icons themselves, like assemblies and parts, the icons are more in line with what you might see in other Siemens tools.